Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Agriculture Drones is probably one of the most revolutionary tools to hit the farming industry in decades, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency in crop management. Imagine effortlessly covering vast fields, applying treatments exactly where needed, reducing waste, and boosting yields, all with the push of a button. These advanced aerial machines are transforming how farmers approach everything from pest control to fertilization, making traditional methods seem archaic by comparison. We're diving deep into what makes these drones so game-changing and what you need to know before adopting this cutting-edge technology for your own agricultural operations. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. This drone weighs under 249 grams, so no FAA registration is needed. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable. Plus, the built-in brushless motor allows it to resist level 5 winds and fly with great stability. Capture breathtaking moments with its 4K camera, featuring a Sony sensor for crisp 12MP photos and smooth 4K video. Its advanced stabilization technology ensures your footage is always steady and professional, even with its adjustable vertical angle. Designed for pilots of all levels, it offers beginner-friendly modes and 3 distinct flight modes: video, normal, and sport. You can easily master its controls and even reach speeds of up to 16 ms in sport mode. Enjoy up to 62 minutes of flight time with the included 2 intelligent batteries. Each battery provides up to 31 minutes of flight, giving you ample time to capture all your creative ideas without constant recharging. Experience a stable and consistent connection with its PickSync 2.0 technology, offering a remarkable transmission range of up to 4 kilometers. This ensures a low-latency, high-definition video feed, keeping you in control. Never worry about losing your drone. With precise GPS, it will automatically fly back to its takeoff point if the signal is lost or the battery is low, ensuring a safe return every time. Explore advanced features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight for even more engaging aerial adventures. It's compatible with most modern smartphones, and includes all necessary adapter cables for easy connection. What we like. This drone is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for beginners and travelers. With an impressive 62 minutes of flight time and a 4 km transmission range, you can explore and capture more without constant recharging or worrying about signal loss. If you're looking for a user-friendly drone with extended flight capabilities for casual photography and travel, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very stable. It's very easy to control and learn. The remote is awesome. The batteries last quite a while, about 25 minutes on average. This drone flies amazingly well for one in this price range. Control inputs are instant, crisp, and very sensitive. It handles the wind better than I expected, it holds position and is stable. The camera is amazing. It will record video at 4K 30fps, 2.7K 30fps, 1080p and 270p. The EIS gives you a very smooth video. High quality, easy to fly, easy to use, very good durability, and for a mini drone this thing will fly through about any wind you would reasonably want to fly in. Camera quality is great, easy to take pictures, shoot video, and stability is there for either. Number 4. Potensic Atom 4K GPS Drone. Captures stunning aerial footage with its advanced 3-axis gimbal and a 12MP camera. It records smooth, steady 4K video, even in windy conditions, ensuring professional quality shots every time. Experience an extended control range of up to 6 kilometers thanks to upgraded technology. This ensures a stable connection, making it easy and flexible to pilot with confidence. Enjoy extended flight times with 3 included batteries, offering a total of 96 minutes of exploration. Plus, a parallel charging hub allows for quick charging of all 3 batteries simultaneously. Weighing less than 249 grams, this compact drone is incredibly portable and doesn't require FAA registration. Its lightweight design and included storage bag make it perfect for any adventure. Unleash your creativity with intelligent features like visual tracking and various quick shots. Effortlessly create cinematic videos with professional-looking effects, making aerial filmmaking accessible to everyone. Designed for ease of use, it features enhanced GPS and an auto return-to-home function. This ensures safe and steady flights, allowing you to bring it back to its takeoff point with a simple tap. We are committed to enhancing your experience. Keep your device updated with the latest firmware to enjoy continuous improvements in flight performance and shooting quality. What we like. Experience cinematic quality footage with its stable 3-axis gimbal and capture stunning 4K video. The extended 96-minute flight time and a remarkable 6 km transmission range mean you can cover more ground and get those perfect shots without compromise. If you prioritize professional-looking aerial videography and need the longest flight duration available in this category, this drone is designed for you. What people say. The camera gimbal worked flawlessly, it did not move up or down by itself and the horizon was dead flat. The video looked great, smooth and seamless. Battery life is very good and charges quickly. The Potensic Atom is simple to set up and get flying. It is very easy to control. The video was better than I expected. The Fly More package with the triple battery charger and case was a worthwhile option to buy. The recording is very smooth with the gimbal, and its capabilities are great. From my experience it can fly around 30 miles per hour, which is great with the exceptionally windy area I live in. I was worried about app connectivity at first, but it works effortlessly. It's easy to use with the app's camera view and included remote. It stays connected up to a half-mile radius from what I've seen, and can fly half a mile up. Number 3. Ruko F11 GM2 Drone with 4K Camera. Introducing the Ruko F11 GM2, a powerful drone designed for adults. Capture stunning 4K photos and videos with its advanced gimbal and EIS stabilization. Experience unparalleled clarity and stability, even in challenging conditions. With 3 included batteries, you can enjoy up to 96 minutes of flight time. This means more opportunities to explore and capture breathtaking aerial footage without interruption. Fly further than ever before with a transmission range of up to 16,404 feet. Its robust design offers level 6 wind resistance, ensuring stable and clear shots even at high altitudes. Never worry about losing your drone. It features GPS Smart Return, automatically coming back when the battery is low or the signal is lost. One key return makes it easy for anyone to operate. Enjoy a stable, real-time video feed directly to your controller via USB connection. This eliminates Wi-Fi worries and ensures a seamless flying experience. This drone comes in an exquisite, durable carrying case, making it easy to take anywhere. It's the perfect companion for your adventures and an ideal gift choice. What we like. This drone boasts impressive wind resistance, capable of handling level 6 winds, ensuring stable flight even in challenging conditions. Combined with a 96-minute flight time and an extensive 16,404-foot range, it offers unparalleled reliability and freedom. If you frequently fly in breezy environments or need a drone that can handle tougher weather while providing ample flight time and range, this is the one to consider. What people say. The flight stability is excellent, even in light wind, and the controls are smooth and responsive. Battery life is also better than expected, giving me plenty of flight time before needing to recharge. The video is incredibly stable, and I'm really happy with the results. Number 2. Swellpro FD1 Plus Fisherman Waterproof Fishing Drone. Meet the revolutionary Swellpro FD1 Plus Fisherman Drone, designed to elevate your fishing experience. It's built to withstand the elements, ensuring reliability on every trip. Don't let weather hold you back. This drone features a robust waterproof design, allowing you to cast your lines even in challenging conditions. Effortlessly deploy your bait with the integrated dual bait release system. This feature provides precision and convenience, making your fishing more efficient. Take your fishing game to new heights. Its advanced capabilities help you reach those prime fishing spots with ease and accuracy. The Swellpro FD1 Plus is more than just a drone, it's your ultimate fishing companion. Experience the future of fishing today. What we like. Designed specifically for anglers, this drone offers unique features like dual bait release and waterproof capabilities, allowing you to precisely deliver bait to your desired fishing spots. If you're a serious fisherman looking to enhance your angling experience with advanced technology and reach those hard-to-access locations, this specialized drone is an invaluable tool. What people say. Great fishing drone. Awesome couldn't be better. Number 1. DJI Mini 2 Southeast Lightweight Drone. This drone is incredibly light, weighing less than 249 grams. It's perfect for capturing stunning aerial moments on all your adventures, wherever you go. Because it's under 249 grams, you won't need FAA registration or remote ID for recreational flights. Always check the FAA's website for the latest requirements. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge. With additional batteries, you can extend your total flight time significantly, allowing you to explore and create more. The companion app offers simple templates that let it automatically fly, record, and create professional-level videos. You can share your creations directly to social media. Experience a maximum transmission range of 10 kilometers, allowing you to fly further and capture more with a stable connection. Its advanced technology offers superior anti-interference. It maintains reliable stability even in winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. This means you can fly and capture content more reliably in a wider variety of locations. With simplified operations, it's easy to learn and master quickly, making it ideal for beginners. The return to home function adds an extra layer of safety for a worry-free experience. What we like. This drone is exceptionally lightweight and portable, making it ideal for beginners and those who need a drone that's always ready to go. Its 10 km transmission range provides excellent connectivity for capturing breathtaking views, and the 31-minute flight time is sufficient for most casual aerial photography needs. If you're just starting out or need a reliable, easy-to-use drone for everyday adventures without registration hassles, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The DJI Mini 2 SE is not difficult to register with the FAA, and does not require flight approval each time it is used. The DJI Mini 2 SE is very compact and easy to set up and fly, making it a great choice for adult beginners. The 12MP sensor captures every detail, and the 3-axis gimbal keeps things steady, even when the wind is acting up. The drone and camera shots are stable even in windy conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.